हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम क्लास 6 सोशल साइंस के क्वेश्चन पेपर को डिस्कस करेंगे। ठीक है, ये करंट सेशन 2024-25 का क्वेश्चन पेपर है। ठीक है, तो इसकी टाइमिंग है 3 आवर्स और मैक्सिमम मार्क्स है 80। ठीक है, इसमें टोटल 5 सेक्शन दिए गए हैं। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हम सेक्शन ए देख लेते हैं। सेक्शन ए में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस। नंबर 1, द भीमबेटका केव्स आर लोकेटेड इन। जो भीमबेटका केव्स है वो कहाँ लोकेटेड है? वो है मध्य प्रदेश में। ठीक है। नंबर 2, द सन इज। सन क्या है? अ स्टार। नंबर 3, देयर आर डैश डिफरेंट लेवल्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट। तो गवर्नमेंट्स के 3 डिफरेंट लेवल्स है। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट है, द टॉरिड जोन इज द डैश जोन। तो टॉरिड जोन जो होता है वो हॉटेस्ट जोन होता है। नेक्स्ट है, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। द हड़प्पन स्ट्रीट्स कट ईच अदर एट डैश एंगल्स। तो जो हड़प्पा की स्ट्रीट्स थी एक दूसरे को राइट एंगल पे वो कट करती थी। A galaxy is a group of stars. The Earth completes one revolution in about 366 days. The dash makes laws for the entire country. तो पूरी कंट्री के लिए लॉ कौन बनाता है? पार्लियामेंट। नेक्स्ट है, राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट इज द टॉप मोस्ट लेवल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट। यस, ट्रू। Fire was the most important discovery of the Paleolithic age. Yes, true. जिला परिषद is the governing body at village level. No, ये false हो गया। जिला परिषद जो होता है वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे होता है। Longitudes run from North Pole to South Pole. Yes, true. Next है, answer the following questions in one word. What is the tenure of the ग्राम पंचायत? ग्राम पंचायत का कार्यकाल कितने समय तक होता है? 5 years. Next, how many days does a leap year have? लीप ईयर में 366 डेज होते हैं। Where did the Indus Valley civilization develop? तो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन इंडस वैली में डेवलप हुआ था। नेक्स्ट है, विच इज द 0 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड? तो 0 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड होता है द इक्वेटर। नेक्स्ट है सेक्शन बी, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। राइट एनी 2 फीचर्स ऑफ द ग्रेट बाथ। आंसर, 2 फीचर्स ऑफ द ग्रेट बाथ आर, नंबर 1, द ग्रेट बाथ वाज rectangular tank made of burnt bricks with fur. Number 2, great bath could have been used on special occasions during rituals bathing. Next question, question number 18. How is a sarpanch elected? What are his duties? Answer, a sarpanch is elected through village elections. His duties are implementing government schemes, maintaining village infrastructure. Number 19. Why are the lines of longitude called meridians of longitude and lines of latitude called parallels of latitude? Answer, lines of longitude are called meridians because they converge at the pole, while line of latitude called parallels because they run parallel to each other. Next, question number 20. Distinguish between rotation and revolution. Answer, Earth spinning on its axis is called rotation. Earth orbiting the sun is called revolution. Next, question number 21. Why did early humans move from place to place? Answer, early humans moved from place to place to search of food, shelter and good climate. Next, question number 22. What are the effects of the Earth's revolution around the sun? Effects of the Earth's revolution around the sun are unequal days and nights, distribution of heat on the Earth, changing seasons. Next is section C, source-based questions. Read the following answers and given questions. यहाँ पे कुछ पैसेज दिया गया है, उनको पढ़ के आपको आंसर देना है। ठीक है। Magda was one of the 16 Mahajanpadas. It had efficient rulers. The first important king of Magda was Bimbisar. He was succeeded by his ambitious son Ajatasattu. The kingdom of Magda expanded due to the political ambitions of both the rulers. Various other factors helped Magda to develop into the powerful Mahajanpadas. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं। Which was the most powerful Mahajanpadas? Answer is Magad. Who was the first important king of Magad? Answer is Bimbisar. Where were dash Mahajanpadas? तो वहाँ पे कितने 16 महाजनपदास थे। Who was Ajatasattu? तो Ajatasattu is the Bimbisar sons and successor. Next है, read the extract and answer the following questions. The Earth is our home planet. It is the third planet of the sun. It is spherical in shape and it's slightly flattened at the poles and building and plugging at the equator. This shape is called geode. Geode means an Earth-like shape. In terms of size, it is the fifth largest planet of our solar system. The Earth has conditions suitable for life. It is at the right distance from the sun. It has the sun's heat and light atmosphere and ability of water. यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं. Which is the third planet from the sun? The third planet is Earth. What is the shape of the Earth? Spherical. How did the suitable for life? The Earth is suitable for life because of the right distance from the sun, atmosphere and ability of water. Next, dash is the fifth largest planet on the solar system in the terms of size. Answer is Earth. Next up, civics से paragraph है. A group of villages have a Gram Sabha. It is a general village assembly consisting of adults members. All adults who have attained the age of 18 years, the Gram Sabha. Each village has one Gram Sabha. Each village has one Gram Sabha or two or more small villages combined come under the Gram Sabha. A Gram Sabha is a permanent body. Members of the Gram Sabha meet at least twice a year and discuss important issues that are important for the whole village. The main purpose of the meeting is the development of the common people in the village. अब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं. What is Gram Sabha? Gram Sabha is a general village assembly consisting of adults member. Next, who can attend a Gram Sabha meetings? Adults above 18 years. Next, members of the Gram Sabha meet at least twice a year. What problem is discussed in the Gram Sabha? Answer, village development issues. Next, read the extracts and answer the questions. The Earth takes 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds to rotate on its axis. Earth Day is celebrated around the world on April 22 to honor the achievement of the environmental movement. The Earth rotates from west to east on its axis and complete one circle of 40,000 km in 24 hours. One day in other 40,000 km in hours. One day. In other words, it moves around its axis at the speed of 40,000 divided by 24 is equal to 1666 km per hour. The motion of the Earth is called the daily motion. अब यहाँ पे कुछ blanks दिए गए. The Earth rotates from west to east on their axis. What is the speed of the Earth per hour? 1666 km per hour. How much time does the Earth take to rotate on its axis? तो गया 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds. How many days the Earth take to complete one rotation? तो one rotation complete करने में 1 day लगता है. ठीक है. Next है section. Answer the following questions in detail. What are the functions of the government? Answer. The functions of the government are: it takes decisions about how to reduce the price of onions when they get too expensive. It thinks of ways to increase the supply of electricity. It provides healthcare, educational and sanitation facilities. It runs postal and railway services. It protects the boundaries of the country and also maintains peaceful relations with other countries. It provides aid and assistance to the affected people during the tsunami and the earthquake. Next question is: distinguish between a star and a planet star. Answer. Stars are giant balls of hot gases held together by gravity. It produces their own heat and light. It looks big in size because of nearness to planet Earth. Planets. A planet is a heavenly body that revolves our sun. Planets do not have light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. Planets fix orbits around the sun. Next question. What were the religious beliefs of the people of the Indus Valley civilization? Answer. The religious beliefs of the Indus Valley people, the numerous female terracotta figures suggested that worship the mother goddess. A seal showing a male deity surrounded with animals has also been found. It is called as Pashupati, identified with the god Shiva. Another interesting seal is an man yogic posture. The Indus people worship nature They must have also worshipped the peepal tree and animals such as the humped bull. Burial sites with pots and other materials of daily use show that the people of Indus Valley believed in life after death. Next question. The Mesolithic age is considered a period of transition. Comment. Answer. Mesolithic age began after the Paleolithic age. The ice age had ended. The period witnessed a major change in climate. The climate became warm and dry. Some animals like the mammoth, yak, woolly, rhino and bison became extinct. Gradually, forests were rich in animals and plants. The Mesolithic age saw the development of agriculture, which led to the rise of permanent settlements. This was a period of transition. Gradually, early humans began using wild grains as food and started domesticating animals. The later Mesolithic age saw early humans move towards a more settled life. Next question is, the Earth is our home planet. Give reasons. Answer. The Earth is our home planet. It is the third planet from the Sun. It is spherical in shape and is slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. This shape is called geode. Geode means Earth-like shape in terms of size. It is the fifth largest planet in our solar system. The Earth has conditions suitable for life. It is at the right distance from the Sun. It has the Sun's heat and light, atmosphere and ability of water. Next question is, why does February have 29 days after 4 years? Answer. The Earth completes one revolution around the Sun in 365, 1/5 days. For our convenience, we considered a year to consisting of 365 days. The 1/4 day in 4 consecutive years so adds up to form one full day, which is added to the month of the February every 4 years.